Meeting Harkirat in India, by the way. So hello everyone, today I am with Harkirat once again, Colorado के बाद meeting after 2 years in Delhi. So यहाँ पे he is starting his college. I want to understand कि what inspired him to create a college in first place. एक side पे Harkirat was on a mission कि जल्दी से इंडिया से बाहर निकलना है, and now he's building and investing for years in India. Okay, so first of all, Harkirat, what's up? How is life going right now?
Pretty good. We're about there. That's the campus. Let me just show you on the set.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, it's been fun. Been a while since I've seen you. So finally good to have you back in India.
Hello everyone, today we are inside the college of Harkirat. Let's get to know his journey because मुझे भी याद है 3 years ago when Harkirat started his channel, वो कह रहे थे कि मेरा गोल है अभी इंडिया आके थोड़े बहुत पैसे कमा के then I'm gonna move abroad. अभी goal is to give free education on YouTube and maybe make one time course. एक cohort launch करना है, then we'll see. So what changed your perspective कि एक बार इंडिया छोड़ना to actually build such a massive college in India? So what changed?
That's a good question. I think when I got all of that, right, when I got all the visas, there's a very clear path to move to the US, Japan or Dubai. तो बहुत achievable सा हो गया. So I think, at least for me, I think a lot of people, what seems like very achievable is like, we've checked this off. What's the more difficult thing you can do now? And this is very challenging, like starting a college, placement specifically over there and, taking such a high ticket size from people feels like a very challenging problem to me, which is why I picked it.
I mean, how did you get inspired to take that challenge? Like, it's not easy. जो बंदा easy path लेना चाहता था, like, इंडिया में कहते हैं कि यार अगर आप average हो, Ray Dalio भी ये कहता है, like, if you are like best at a subject, that is way better than being average. If you're worst at a subject, then also it is way better than being average because being average and being mediocre is a curse. आपको पता नहीं आपको कौन सी skill आपकी अच्छी है. Then best is to, move countries, आप US चले जाओ, see what skills you can actually best at rather than being average. So you always thought you were best at this field and that's why you wanted to stay?
Yeah, I think I'm pretty average, generally, in a lot of things. But yeah, at least computer science, I sort of not very early, honestly, after graduating, after 2 years, मुझे समझ आया कि this is something I'm good at, at least above average at. I do agree though, if you're very average at something,
तो abroad चले जाओ.
हाँ, because वहाँ पे median salaries are higher, so it just makes sense to make money there. You'll make more money over there. If you're very good at something, then yes, you can charge, from wherever.
तो क्या inspire किया like to take this challenge, like such a बड़ा एक college खोलना आसान नहीं है. Like I'm seeing he's talking to 10 contractors a day and then like managing, installing ACs, scratch से build करना. अभी table नहीं आया तो सिर खाना किसी का कि table क्यों नहीं आया. So what inspired you to take this big challenge?